Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Okay, so let's begin. So there are two options how you can reset this phone, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So first option, when you have access to your phone, is through the settings. So let's go straight into the settings. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the system. Also again scroll until we find the reset phone option. In here you can also reset Wi-Fi settings, reset app preferences, and reset calibration parameters by simply clicking these buttons in all of the cases. Okay, but now we want to click on erase all data. And now this green button, erase all data, that will cause this that your phone will be turned off and then turned on automatically. And the next process you need to do is to set up your phone. Also remember that erasing that this process will cause that all of your data will be erased from the phone permanently. So if you don't have a backup, it's good to have one. If you don't know how to create it, also on our channel we have a bunch of videos how to create a backup. So if you want to, you can look for it. Okay, so that was the first method. And the second method is recommended when you don't have access to the phone, for example when it's locked. So to do this, firstly let's turn off our phone. Let's click on power off, and we're gonna use it, and we're gonna reset the phone using the recovery mode. Okay, so to enter the recovery mode we need to use the two button combination, which is by holding the power button and the volume up button. So let's perform this. Let's keep on holding. When the Infinix logo appears, let's release the finger from the power button, but let's keep on holding the volume up. And when we have this logo, when below says no command, now we need to click on the volume up and the power button at the same time. Okay, now it works. You don't need to hold these buttons, you just need to simply click them at the same time and then release. Okay, now we're in the recovery mode. Now to move around this menu, we use the volume buttons. I click on volume down, I go down, volume up, I go up. That's pretty simple. And when I want to confirm the selected option, I use the power button. So now we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Okay, confirm by clicking the power button. Now again, volume down, factory data reset. Also this method will cause this that all of your data will be lost, so remember about it. And now factory data reset. Okay, now we can see on the bottom that data wipe complete. So we have our confirmation that it has been successfully done. And now all you need to do is to select reboot system now, click on power button, and now your phone will be automatically turned on back again, and again you need to set it up, just like in the first possible option. Okay, so thank you all for watching, that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.